Brought to you by the Asian Business Institute and Resource Center. Special thanks to our grantor, California Department of Food and Agriculture, for making this possible. Hello, today's highlighted crop, Napa cabbage, also known as Chinese cabbage. This versatile vegetable is loved for its delightful crunch and mild sweet flavor that enhances dishes globally. Grown in lush fields, Napa cabbage brings a fresh touch to your meals. It's not just delicious, Napa cabbage is a nutritional powerhouse as well. It's loaded with essential vitamins like A, C, and K, along with dietary fiber, making it a healthy addition to any diet. Vitamin A supports vision health, vitamin C boosts immunity and collagen production for skin health, and vitamin K aids in blood clotting and bone health. Originating from China and Japan, Napa cabbage has a rich history in Eastern cuisine. It has been cultivated for centuries and is prized for its ability to enhance the flavor and texture of stir fries, soups, and salads, giving your culinary creation a unique and delicious twist. Hello, this is ABIRC's second episode of Specialty Eats. We are back with Cha and
Brenda, Nyazhong.
And today we are going to work with our specialty crops. You've seen last episode where we worked with cilantro, shallots, green onion, and once again lemongrass. These are going to incorporate in our dish today, which is...
It's going to be, I call it Napa wrap.
Okay.
Very basic, again, basic food.
Okay, so the Napa cabbage, so it looks very different from the cabbage that we see at the stores. I think they're sometimes mentioned as Chinese cabbage, so what are the differences?
Well, the difference is that, to me, the Napa cabbage has very light sugar versus the regular Napa.
Oh,
sugar.
okay.
And normally people would not eat this raw as much as the other Napa cabbage, yes.
Oh, perfect. So we usually cook it in our dishes.
Yes, for this one.
Okay.
But today we're not going to cook, we're going to wrap.
All right, so it doesn't seem like it's as sweet, but I do know that it is low in calories and packed with nutrients. So I'm just wondering, what other dishes can we make with it?
Besides, I usually stir fry and then eat it steamed. But beside those, today we're going to do a new thing. I decided that we're going to do Napa wrap today.
Okay, so it's...
with chicken Napa wrap.
Oh, perfect. So is it like a little burrito just wrapped in a leaf?
Yes.
Oh, perfect.
So we will use, again, we use, I did chopped. I chopped some lemongrass, shallot, and you can see the red bell pepper and onion.
Okay.
So we will do that, but before that, let's cook our chicken. I ground the chickens already. So let's put...
Okay.
I think that's enough. That should be enough.
Okay.
Let's cook the chicken. You can cook the chicken with oil, but today, again, I'm going to use water.
All right. Healthy alternatives.
Yeah, use water to do it. And the cabbage will also add more liquid later on too. If you decide to do wrap, make sure that you get the long and big leaf of the outer leaf. Okay. We're going to cut off the core. And you want to use the outer leaves. Those has a larger size for you. That way you'll be able to wrap it better. With the leaves, we want to cut the rib off. So we don't need the rib. We're going to cut the rib. You can use the rib. You could chop it, dice it, and add it onto the chicken.
Okay, so as a filling?
As a filling, yes. So you want it to cut, I would say almost a quarter off. And then you will leave about this much of the leaves for you to roll.
Okay.
So let's, Julian, let's dice them real quick. Then I can add it with you there. Okay. And then you can add the chicken flavor.
Okay.
Yeah.
The bouillon, just the whole thing?
The whole thing.
All right.
Along with that, then you can add the salt,
All right, the salt. Just a pinch?
the pinch. And then you want to use 2 pinches of the sugar.
2 pinches of the sugar.
Yes. So I'm going to add the rib of the Napa cabbage.
Okay, let's get this stirred up.
And then I'm going to...
Am I doing a good job?
Yes, you're doing good.
Okay.
Okay. I did blanch earlier, pre-blanch these leaves. So if you're going to blanch the leaves, you bring the water to boil and just dip in there with tongue. Dip maybe probably about 10 seconds if it's boiling hot water.
Wow.
You don't want it too soft, because if it's too soft, then you can't roll it and it will rip too. So just enough that you will be able to roll them.
Okay, this is starting to look really
I'm
good.
going to add the black pepper,
Black pepper, just a pinch?
just a pinch.
All right.
Then you will add the rest of the ingredient.
Just everything?
Yes, started with lemongrass
Lemongrass first,
and shallot,
and then shallots,
and then the red pepper.
red bell pepper,
You want to wait a bit for the onion.
green onion. You
Yes.
got it. Put it
I'll go
down.
add some more black pepper.
That's my
2
black
pinch.
pepper. 2 pinches.
So probably about a quarter of a teaspoon.
quarter of a teaspoon.
Yes. And today we are going to use oyster sauce and fish sauce.
All
But
right.
again, those are options. You can do it without it. It tastes the same. So I'm going to add the oyster, the whole
Okay.
thing.
Okay. Is there a specific amount that they should do, or is it just up to the person?
If you're serving 1 to 4 people, then you use about a teaspoon.
Okay.
Yeah, a teaspoon of oyster, maybe half a teaspoon of fish sauce. Depends on how much salt you use.
Okay.
Then today we're going to add carrots. We're going to soften the carrots a little bit so when we wrap it, it will not poke our leaves.
Oh, yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
And then you could add the green onion.
Green onion now? Okay.
Ooh, you did it good. It looks good. It smells good.
Thank you, thank
Already.
you. I learned from the best. All right.
I'm going to simmer it. Go ahead and close it.
Oh.
Yep. I'm going to simmer it for a minute. There you go.
And for the cilantro, we add that
And
as a
the
garnish?
rest, yes.
Okay, okay. For the pepper as well? Add
Well,
at the end?
let's make chili sauce while
Okay.
that cook.
Oh,
Okay.
all right, all right.
You will need a dip sauce. You can use any dip sauce that you like, but today I will make salt dip sauce. And it was supposed to use fish sauce, but I decided not to use fish sauce. For some of you may not like that flavor, so today we will use just sugar, salt, and water.
Okay.
So we'll have. How about you grab about 2 pinches of salt in here?
Okay, so the
Two
salt
big
and the
pinch.
sugar are next to each other. I just want to make sure this is the right one, so.
that is sugar.
Okay, sugar, great.
About 3 of those.
3?
Yeah.
3 pinches.
You're looking at probably about a quarter of
2,
teaspoons.
3, okay.
And then we will use about a quarter of teaspoon of salt, so about 4 pinches.
4 pinches.
Your pinches, 4. My
Okay.
pinches, 2.
Okay.
Okay, and then we will need a lime juice. If you can grab a
yeah.
the lime, but I can cut. Half a
There
lime
you
juice
go.
will be fine, yeah. There you go.
All right, just squeeze it in
Just squeeze it in,
as much as I can, or?
all of those.
Okay.
And then you need about 1/8
Okay.
cup of water.
Just, okay.
Yeah. Smells good already.
Oh, yeah, it does smell good.
Wild chard, making the chili sauce, I'm going to add some more cilantro. Excuse me, onion. Okay, then we're going to turn it off.
Squeeze more lime into it. It's all preference, right?
Yes, preference.
I like a lot of lime, so.
And then I'm going to add some more cilantro.
Okay.
But try not to cook the cilantro much. Okay, are you ready for the wrap?
I am ready. Let's
Okay.
show us.
I'll do one and then I'll let you do the other, okay?
Oh, okay. Don't laugh at mine.
You do however you want it.
Okay.
There is no perfect way of rolling.
Okay. So if I want more filling, I can put in more filling?
Yes.
Okay.
You have two ways. You could either roll the soft first and decide just exactly how you would roll
Okay.
and just leave it like that.
Oh, that looks good.
Or you could do the other way, backward. I'll have
Okay.
you do it.
All right.
Yes.
Here I come. Do not make fun of me, Brenda.
No.
Okay, so I'm just gonna, let's start out with this much. I think we need more. Yeah, I think we need more. Let's put in a little more. And then I'm going to roll it up just like this.
Your way.
Yeah, my way.
Yes,
This
your
is
way.
my cabbage roll. Oh. It's a little stubbier than yours, but I think that works.
Yeah, that works. Are you ready to taste what we cooked today?
I am so ready. This
We
looks
didn't get
so
to
good.
taste it last time.
No,
the
we
last
didn't.
episode, so
No, we
this time
did
we're
not.
going to do it. Okay.
All right, so,
I'll show you how to do it.
okay, just like this?
You could either dip in there or use a spoon and use the sauce. Oh boy, this is going to be chili. I could smell the
Oh.
chili, the spice of the chili already.
Oh, yeah. No, this is definitely going to open up the sinuses. All right. Boom. And there we have it, guys.
There it
This
goes.
is a
Okay, here we go.
cabbage roll.
You did a good job.
Oh,
I
thank
like
you.
it.
Thank you. Followed your directions.
You're a new chef now.
Wow, Brenda, that was so good.
You did a good job.
Did
I'm
I?
proud of you.
Awesome. Oh, I'm so glad. Okay. I kind of want another one, but I think it's time to wrap this episode up. I want to thank Brenda so much for her time, for coming here for our second episode of Specialty Eats. Please join us again. Tune in.
Until next time.
All right, Brenda. Man.
Ciao.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go.